What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jax. Hey guys, if you get any value out of this video, it goes a long way if you smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new. So we're going to talk about Wink. We hit the double bottom that we were talking about in the last Wink video. So we're going to get into the technical analysis for Wink as well as for Bitcoin. So we're up 2% in the last 24 hours and we're down 30% on the week. All right, guys. So we're here on the Wink Twitter, and they passed 135,000 followers. So that's awesome. Their Twitter is growing fast. Not many new announcements here though on their Twitter. So let's hop into this technical analysis, guys. So we came right down to our price target, and we actually dropped below it, but then we bounced right back up to our price target of 0.0009, 0.0009. And hopefully what we want to see, guys, is we hold support in this area. So I'll quickly put it onto the 1 hour, and then we'll do the 4 hour, and then we'll follow it up with the 1 day. So we're here on the 1 hour chart, guys, and it's good to see. You can see we made a double bottom, which is a pattern, which is a formation pattern of a reversal to the upside, and we broke out of our double bottom, and we've now found support on the 20 EMA, guys. So that's bullish. So what we need to see now, guys, is that we start to create higher highs and higher lows and get back above the EMAs and go trend back up towards this level here on the Fibonacci at about 0.001. All right, guys, we have to make sure that Bitcoin starts recovering, because the rest of the market, including Wink, will see that recovery. But it's beautiful to see we hit that double bottom on the 1 hour. We have the larger double bottom over here, but we hit, there's always chart patterns within the 1 hour, within the 4 hour, within the 1 day. You can see them all over the place. So we need to get back above that 55 EMA and have the bullish cross of the 20 EMA over the 50 be a signal that we're going to start trending back upwards for Wink, guys. So we'll put it onto the 4 hour chart. So you can see here on the 4 hour that we've hit that massive double bottom pattern here, and we're starting to catch back up to the EMA on the 4 hour. Now what we need to see, guys, is that we don't hit resistance. We don't want to be hitting our head on this 20 EMA. We want to get above it. As you can see here, I'll draw a little bit of a line. What we want to see is we get above the EMA. We start creating higher highs and higher lows, and the EMA comes right back underneath the candles, and we use it as support. All right, guys. But it's beautiful to see the bulls, the buyers, stepping in to push the price back up. So let's put it here onto the 1 day. Yeah, so we can see here on the 1 day chart that we still have a little bit of ways to go to get back above the EMAs, but it's good to see that we haven't yet formed the bearish cross of the 20 over the 50. What we want to see is the EMAs do something like this. They don't cross over, they start to flatten out as the price starts to increase, which is what we want to see. And we start to do this before we start trending back upwards with the candles and with the EMA. So what we want to see is that this is our bottom. This double bottom is where we're going to stay before we start trending back upwards for Wink. All right, guys, so we'll quickly put it onto the 1 week, and then I'm going to show you guys Bitcoin, and then we're going to finish up this video here. So I'm just going to take these little lines out. So as I was saying in my last Wink video, I did expect that wick to come down and find the 20 EMA, and that's exactly what we're seeing, guys, is the 20 EMA has come right back up to the candles, and we're using it as support. So the chart is healing, guys. This is what we want to see before we see that full heal up, and then we see our next leg up to our price targets up here of 0.004, 0.006, and then all the way up at 0.01. I think Wink will make during this bull run quite easily, guys. So if you take a position, I am going to be purchasing some more Wink personally. Now, it's not financial advice, guys. If Bitcoin sells off further, then Wink's gonna sell off further too, guys. But I'm gonna take a little bit more of position here because I like what I'm seeing on the chart. And if we get up to that 0.01, guys, 1 cent, you're looking at another 1000% gain here for Wink. All right, guys, so let's look at Bitcoin, our master energy. So we can see here with Bitcoin, guys, we've had the buying action on the 1 hour chart bring us back above the 20 EMA, just as we saw with Wink. And I'm seeing a cup and handle pattern here. So you have your cup followed by your handle right here. The handle is just starting to form. I'm going to show it to you guys on Google here. So we have our cup and then we have our handle, and it's a bullish sign of a reversal. Now we're going to start trending. We're going to break out and start trending back upwards. You can see it right here as well. You have your cup, you have your handle, and then you start breaking out to the upside. And we can see it here with Bitcoin. We have our cup and we're starting a little bit to possibly form our handle. And what we want to see is something like this, guys. We form our handle and then we start trending back upwards for Bitcoin. As you can see right here, we had our consolidation and then we just broke out and started trending back upwards, which is what we want to see here for Bitcoin. We want this to be our bottom so we can start trending back upwards. So I'll quickly put Bitcoin onto the 4-hour chart. Yeah, so you can see our bearish cross, guys. So we really need to get back above these EMAs. We need to see those buyers step up, because if we were to sell off more, guys, if this is a bear pennant and we sell off, well, a level of support is all the way down back here at about, we could find support around 46K, or we could find support on the Fibonacci at 44, or we come all the way down to this level of support at 43,000. So we really need to see those buyers step up and push the price back up, guys, because if we see more sell off, the whole market's gonna go down with it, right, guys? So hopefully we see that cup and handle and we start trending back above the EMAs. But if we look at Bitcoin here on the 1 week, we can see, guys, similar with Wink, that we found support along the 20 EMA. We can see this wick even dipped a little bit lower than the 20 EMA, but we're coming back and finding support along the 20 EMA. We're consolidating. The chart is healing up, and hopefully we'll start swinging back up to the upside soon for Bitcoin as well as for Wink. It's beautiful to see that candle would come right down to the 20 EMA. It's showing us that the chart is healing, and we're going to see our next leg up as long as Bitcoin starts to correct your master energy. All right, guys. So that is it for Wink, short and sweet. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter. You can check out the Discord, Patreon link in the bio. We have our own room for Wink, Tron, and BTT, over 1,000 members strong. All right, guys. And I will see you in the next video. Peace. Much love. Take care.